Alright guys, check this out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill for the bottom teeth. It's nicely iced with real natural diamonds, as you can see here, shining bright in the sun. These are real diamonds, guys. These are not lab diamonds. These are not cubic zirconia. These are real, mined from the earth and individually hand set on solid 925 sterling silver, guys. This is custom fitted for a perfect fit. This is a 6 bottom, but you can go with a 6 top, or you can do a set top and bottom. That's up to you. Check us out online, guys. blingcartel.com. Free shipping in the US, quick service, handmade work. blingcartel.com. Alright guys, we're gonna test the diamond grills with the electronic tester. Alright, put it to the test. Make sure you can see that. Alright. There it is. Real diamonds, guys. You saw it here. Check us out. blingcartel.com. Real natural diamond grills. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.